y'all can pull out your reference sheet if y'all want. Notice we're going from miles per hour to feet per minute. So you're going to have to do some things right there. Yeah, you can press it. Show us how you got 126,720 feet.
Because it takes 24 miles, and then you're trying to get the feet, so, and it's 5,280 feet in a mile, so I did 24 times 5,280, and I got that, and then I divided like 60 minutes in an hour, I got that for 1 minute.
Everybody understood what she did?
Nope, you said 5,280 times 24.
Number 2. Everybody agree with that? Everybody agree? Raise your hand if you agree. Okay, we'll check it. Number 3. 180. Somebody got something different? No? Let's check then.
What?
You don't know how?
Yeah, I honestly don't know how because I didn't even know what I was doing.
Okay, we're gonna go back and do it all again.
Well, I ain't finished.
Did you get it right?
No, I'm gonna rewrite it for you.
Yeah.
Let's go back to the lesson. She had 24 miles per hour. She got it right there. 24 miles per how many hours? 1 hour. And she want to know feet per minute. So the first thing we have to do is get our feet. So how many feet in a mile? 5,280 feet in 1 mile. Now what we want to do is cancel out like units. And the only way we can cancel out like units is if we have 1 unit over here in the numerator and 1 unit over here in the denominator. So we can cancel miles out because we have 1 here and 1 here. But now I need to go to minutes. I have 1 hour. What should go in the top here?
1
hour. And what goes in the bottom?
60 minutes.
60 minutes. Now I can cancel out what? The hours. Now we have 24 times 5,280 feet divided by 60, which should give us 212 feet per minute.
I get it now.
Right. 2,112 feet per minute. Everybody got this? Let's go to number 2. Number 2 was 3 gallons per second, and we want to know
How many quarts per?
quarts per minute. Okay. 3 gallons per 1 second. What should we find first? Let's go with the quarts. How many quarts in a gallon?
4.
4 quarts in 1 gallon. What can I cancel out?
Gallons.
Gallon. Next, I need to know what?
Minutes.
How many seconds are in a minute? So what should go on the top?
60.
60 what?
Seconds.
And 1 what?
Minute.
What can I cancel out?
Seconds.
Seconds. Why?
Because it's
The same unit. I have 1 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator, so I can cancel out. Now I multiply 3 times 4 times 60, and it gives me 720. Got it? And we have, what's the last one? 3? What was it?
10 pounds
10 pounds per what?
per inch.
And we want to know what?
The ounces per
Per feet. So, 10 pounds per 1 inch. What's the first thing I need to find? The ounces. So what's going to go in the top? 16 ounces in 1 pound. What can I cancel out?
pound.
Pound. Next I want to know what?
How many feet are in a? You know how many inches are in feet?
How many inches in a foot? What am I going to put in the top? 12 what?
Inches.
Multiply 10 times 16 times 12, and I should get
1,920.
1,920. Y'all got it?
Yes.
So let's move into the lesson for today. So this is what we're going to do today. We're going to identify proportional relationships and use equivalent ratios. So let's look at example 1. It says, Andrea earns $18 per hour for mowing lawns. Is the amount of money he earns proportional to the number of hours he spends mowing? Explain. So with these problems, we're going to start out with a table. And the first thing we want to do is find its first unit rate. The first unit rate is what? $18 per what? Per hour. That's going to be the first rate we start with. It says find the amount of money he earns for working a different number of hours. Make a table to show the amount. So for the first hour it was $18. For the second hour it was $36. For the third hour it was $54, and for the fourth hour it was $72. What did they do in this table? Multiply by
18.
everything by 18.
They multiply each one by the
They multiplied the hours by 18. And it says for each number of hours worked, write the relationship of the amount he earned and the hour as a ratio in simplest form. So let's look at the first one. It says for the first hour he worked what? He made what? $18 an hour. And the second hour is what?
$36
So over 2 hours. The third one?
54 over 34.
And the fourth one is? What they're saying is all of these should be equal to $18 an hour. So if I divide 36 by 2, I should get what?
$18 an hour.
54 by 3?
$18.
72 by 4?
18.
And that tells us it is proportional because of this unit rate. Same thing we just did. It's going to be proportional because all of them can be simplified to 18 over 1. And that's the explanation. Now let's try an example.
So I want to is it like gonna be proportional anytime there's like a 1 in the average denominator?
If you start and you have a unit rate, it's going to be, let's say we said $10 per hour. Everything after that should simplify to be that $10 per hour. And that's going to make it proportional because it's a unit rate. How do we know something is a unit rate?
Whenever there's a 1 under it.
Read there, Rico.
Annie walks 6 miles per day. Is the number of miles she walks proportional to the number of days she walks? Explain.
So the first thing we're going to do is do what? Draw a table. What's our unit rate? 6 what? Miles per 6 miles per day. Show me how many miles it is after 4 days. Show me that. Mr. Gibson gonna put it on the board for us. He'll show us rather. starting out with?
The 6 over 1.
Okay. Is this proportional?
Yeah.
Why?
Because if you simplify it, it will still get to 6.
6 over 1. 6 miles per day. Good job. Answer. It says Uptown tickets charges $7 per baseball game ticket plus a $3 processing fee per order. Is the cost of an order proportional to the number of tickets ordered? Explain. Hold on. It says for each number of tickets, write the relationship of the cost and the number of tickets as a ratio in simplest form. As a ratio in simplest form, that's the first thing you do. Right, see what they did? They took 10 over 1, which was 10. They took 17 over 2, which reduced to be 8.5. 24 over 3, which is 8, and 31 over 4, which is 7.75. Since the ratios of the two quantities are not the same, the cost of the order is not proportional to the number of tickets ordered. Why?
They all same. Simplify to 10.
How? Who asked? How they got what? Look at the problem. It says it charges $7 per baseball game ticket plus a $3 processing fee per order. So, if I were to write an equation, it would be $7 plus 3, but I need a variable in there. What would I put that variable? With what? I mean, we can use any variable, but what number would I put it with?
Money sound.
$7 per baseball game ticket.
Oh, T.
T. 7T plus 3. So this is what they did. If I buy one ticket, 7 times 1 plus 3, which is my processing fee. That is what? 7 plus 3 equals
10.
Okay, so what if I did 2?
It'll be 7.
14 plus 3.
Plug the number of tickets ordered in for T and just add 3.
Wouldn't it be like 7 over 250 then plus 6 since you're doing 2?
No. It's just the same $3 processing fee, whatever you do. However many tickets you buy, it's just going to be the same $3 processing fee. Work another example. Read it for me, Dante.
A cleaning service charges $45 for the first hour and $30 for each additional hour. Due to the fixed portion of the lower hour first, and the table of values to explain.
So, same kind of problem. It says $45 for the first hour and $30 for an additional hour. What number would I put my variable with?
45.
Why?
No, you put 30.
Why?
Because if you want extra hours.
Extra hours, you have to pay $30 per hour. So, write the equation and then give me a table. Your equation should go write the equation on the board.
You don't get to $30 for each